My dear viewers, now discuss use of most important acid and base. Please show the screen. Okay. Use of acid. That is, eye wash use boric acid, food preservation use citric acid, ink stain remover use oxalic acid, flavorous drink carbonic acid, baking powder tartaric acid, cooking acetic acid or vinegar or ethanoic acid. Pick line of metals hydrochloric acid. Next part, use of bases. Manufacture of soap use sodium hydroxide, manufacture of bleaching powder use calcium hydroxide, and as antacid, that is neutralize acidity, magnesium hydroxide. In fair existence aluminum hydroxide. In softened water calcium hydroxide. In removing grease stain from cloth ammonium hydroxide. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.